I've found a completely new way to make Stickman videos. And the best part? No one on YouTube has explained this yet. You can make them in different formats perfect for TikTok and YouTube. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it. First, go to ChatGPT and open the GPT store. There, you'll find my GPT called Stickman Character Story Maker. Click Start Chat, then hit I'm ready to create a Stickman character. The GPT will ask you what kind of environment you want for your character. For example, you can pick a horror house. You can also customize details like skin color, for example, white, shirt color, light black, and even accessories such as a red cap. Once you've filled this in, the GPT will generate a main scene prompt and 5 B-roll prompts. It'll then ask you which prompt you want to generate first. You can choose the main scene or any of the B-rolls. Next, it will ask for a format. Pick TikTok if you're making vertical videos, but there are other options too. The GPT will now generate an image of your Stickman character based on your settings. As you'll see, the result is okay, but honestly, I think ChatGPT's image quality isn't as good as Google's Imagen 3. To make this easier, I added a link under the B-roll prompts to OpenArt, a platform where you can use Imagen 3. Here's what to do. Go to OpenArt and click Generate Image. Switch the model to Imagen 3 in the Model tab. Go back to ChatGPT and copy one of the prompts it created. Paste the prompt into OpenArt. Under Output Settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok or 16:9 for YouTube. Choose how many images to generate, like 4. OpenArt will now create your Stickman character with much higher quality. Here's a small problem you might run into. Even though the prompt says no face, OpenArt sometimes ignores it and adds one anyway. ChatGPT understands this instruction, but OpenArt doesn't. So here's a fix. You can paint over the face and add your own. Go to a site like FreePic and search for cartoon faces. Pick one you like and download it. You only get a few downloads per day, so choose carefully. The file comes as a zip with an EPS file. Open the EPS file directly in Photopea. Once it's loaded, you'll probably see several layers with groups. Find the group with the face you like, right-click it, and select Convert to Smart Object. Double-click on the layer. This will open the face on a new canvas, completely separated from the rest. Go to File and export it as a PNG. Now open a new file with the Stickman image you created in OpenArt. Before adding the new face, let's clean up the original one. Use the eyedropper tool to pick the skin color of the Stickman. Then use the brush tool to carefully paint over and erase the unwanted face. Once the original face is gone, import the PNG face you saved earlier. Drag and drop it into the frame. Position it over your character and adjust the size if needed. Now it's time to bring your Stickman to life. Use a tool called Kling AI, linked in the GPT model. Here's how. Upload the image you edited in Photopea. Go to Kling AI's video section. Enter a short prompt describing your animation. Pro tip, always include static camera so the view doesn't jump around. Click DeepSeek to refine the prompt, then hit Generate to create your animated scene. Repeat this for all your scenes. If you want to make your character talk, use the free web tool, Animate Your Voice. Search for it and click Start Now. Pick Mouth Only from the categories and choose a mouth animation you like. For the voice, go to ElevenLabs, linked in the GPT model. In ElevenLabs, go to the Voices tab. Use the voice filters to search for better voices that fit your character. You can filter by category, gender, age, and quality to find the perfect match. Write your own script. It's more fun than letting AI generate it. Once you've found a voice, paste your script and click Generate. Download the audio file. Now combine the audio and mouth animation. Upload the audio file from ElevenLabs into Adobe Express. In Adobe Express, choose a green screen background for the project. And let Adobe Express automatically sync the mouth to your uploaded audio. Export the video. Next, open CapCut. Import your Stickman character scene and the exported mouth animation. Overlay the mouth animation onto your Stickman character. Use Chroma Key in CapCut to remove the green background from the mouth animation. Now your Stickman talks perfectly in sync with the voice.
I didn't expect the house to look so nice on the inside. Let me check upstairs.
For extra realism, use sound effects from ElevenLabs. Go to the Sound Effects tab in ElevenLabs. Type in the sound effect you want, like heavy breathing or girl screaming. Click Generate to create the sound. These small touches make your scenes way more engaging. Here's what I created.
A teenage boy drops his backpack by the door and heads straight to his room. He closes the door quietly, pulls out his phone, and throws himself onto the bed. He smirks as he calls his girlfriend to talk about their date plans. A few minutes later, a knock breaks the moment. Keep the door open, his mom calls from the hallway. He groans and rolls his eyes. Whatever. He stomps over, yanks the door open, and drops back onto the bed. An hour slips by. Dinner's ready, his mom calls again from the kitchen. He doesn't move. Still annoyed, he flips open his laptop. The Netflix logo flashes on screen, and the opening music plays. He leans back in his chair trying to relax. Then, crash. A plate shatters in the hall. He shoots upright, his chest tightening. I said dinner is ready, his mom yells again. But this time her voice is off. Too loud, almost warped. Mom? He calls out, his throat dry. He steps into the hallway. His feet drag on the floor. The kitchen looks normal. Then he notices a folded note on the counter. He picks it up and reads, Hey sweetie, I got called in for a night shift. Won't be home until tomorrow. Call me if you need anything. Love, Mom.
I've dropped links to every tool I used in the description below, so you can try this out yourself. Thanks for watching.